Okay, I'm going to try to get both of these in this big board in one big shot. Alright, so I need to graph it. That's the first step. With this, because of the scatter plot, I can just make something like this, okay? And so I need, say, every 2, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, we only need to 96. So, I can actually, those are a little close for me, so let's do it again and go 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, okay? So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, and 96, okay? And so I'm going to go up, and my lowest is 56, and my highest is 110. So I need to go from 56 to 110. That's about 60 places, right? So how are we going to put 60 places in here? Maybe by tens? Does that sound good? By tens? So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then I have to label these right. So the 50, right? So that would be 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 110. Okay? And then I can start graphing. 90, 58. 90, 58. That would be about here. 91 is 56. That's going to be about here. 92 is 72. Okay, 93 is 92. 94 is 80. 95 is 105. Is it 205?
Yeah.
And 210? Uh-oh. That's going to mess up my whole scale.
No.
Well, you just have to,
You have to
it's
change
just
it.
158, 156, 172, 192, 180, 205, 210. So it's the scaling is right, it's just your numbers are.
Oh, this is 158?
Yeah.
You just gotta put a 1 in front of it.
I thought you were doing that on purpose, just to make the scale.
Oh, my bad. I must have a different test then. So it's like this you're saying? And then 2 and 2?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, so we would just do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Is that right?
Yeah.
So 205 and then 210 for 96 would be right here, yeah? Okay, and so what they want us to do is make a line through there. Okay, so first of all, we make just a faded line, just kind of going through somewhere, right? Just kind of going through. Any faded line, is that positive? Right? Is that positive slope?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the correlation is positive. So the R value, I know right away, is positive. How close is it to the line? It's kind of close, but not that close, so maybe 0.8. Okay? It's linear, but it's not that linear. I mean, it's pretty linear, right? So we're at a correlation of 0.8. Now we need to come up with an equation for the line. So to do an equation of the line, I'm going to put in my grids. I want to put in these. Right? And once I can put in these are going to help me figure out where I want the line to go through. And it's already going through right here, right here, right here. So if I kept it going through like that, does Does that make sense? And this line is very, very straight. Does that make sense? And so then I can just pick a couple of points. Like these two. Right? So I'm going to pick these 2 points. And so I'm going to come down. And so how far apart is the delta x?
Oh, you're wrong.
How far apart are they? From 92 to 93? Just 1, right? Then how far apart is the delta y? From 170 to 180? 170 to 180? Isn't that 10? Right? Okay? So that means that m is equal to delta y over delta x, which is equal to 10 over 1. So what's my slope? M is equal to 10, yeah? It's a positive 10 slope. Okay? So y equals mx plus b. I'm going to grab my point. One of the points on the line. This is 92 and 170, correct? So 170, 92 and 170. So 170 is my y. My 10 and my x is 92 plus b. So what is 10 times 92? What is 10 times 92?
920.
920 equals 170. Okay? I'm going to subtract 920. And I get 750 negative equals b. That means that by the time this gets down to 90, now I was supposed to have this at, when it gets down to 0, what would 0 be in this case? If this was 1990, right? 1991, what would 0 be if I was putting in 90? 0 would be 1900, right? So by the time you got to 1900, it would be at negative 750, okay? But my slope, y is equal to 10x minus 750. So by the time we got down to the 1900s, it would be at negative 750. Okay? And that's the last 2 problems on the test. Basically, drawing an equation of a line. Are there questions?